Hi, I am Abbas and today I am going to show you how to create a master POS of Verifone. The model of this terminal is V200C. As you can see, it is written behind the terminal, and you can see that there is no battery attached to this terminal. So in order to turn this terminal on, we need to connect the charger to the charging port to turn this terminal on. As you can see, after inserting the charger, the terminal is now on. It is also mandatory to put the charger over the UPS in case of any failure. Now this terminal is now opening, and after this screen, when this screen appears, we will press 159 simultaneously in order to use system mode of this terminal. Now this is the system mode of this terminal. As you can see, this is the system mode of this terminal, and I have in my hand a USB in which the application, the operating system and the ADK package for this terminal is available. Before entering the application, the user must send us the serial number of this terminal, which is present at the back side of the screen over here. After this serial number, we will build an application and then deploy it to the customer. I have in my hand the USB. The USB contains the ADK package, application and the operating system for this terminal, and this USB is, I will put this USB in the USB port for downloading the operating system, ADK package and application. The password of the supervisor, I have to press enter for moving forward. The password of this terminal is 7 times 1, and the other password will be given on the document. We will use this arrow keys to go down, update, USB. First of all, we will like to download operating system. Now this is, as you can see, that it is installing, and when this installing is done, the terminal will restart multiple times. First they will show you black screen that look like that the terminal is dead, but it is not dead. On the back end, the terminal was downloading operating system, and on the other hand, it is downloading the other part. After completing after installing the operating system, this pop-up screen restart required is appearing, on which we will press OK. The system will reboot and it will show you the on and off screen multiple times. First it will show you the black screen. It means that it is downloading on the back of the terminal. It is downloading the files. So there's no need to worry for the black or white screen. It will first complete the procedure and then will restart it by itself. You can see that it's written installing OS. This phenomena will occur multiple times after downloading the operating system. So there is no need to worry for this downloading while downloading operating system. As you can see that the screen, after going blank, the screen is now appearing again, which is written Verifone, and after that it will show you installing OS. See, installing OS, and after installing OS, this will again go back on the black screen and then it will come again the installing OS, and then the installing bar will appear behind this installing, below this installing OS. You will see that in a while. As I have already told before that it will reboot multiple times while downloading operating system. This is now happening. See this, the bar for installing operating system is now appearing, which means that the OS is now installing in the system. Now once this installing is complete, the screen will prompt for a reboot so that it will again restart with the new operating system. After this screen, after installing the operating system, now this screen will appear. Now we will again press 1, 5 and 9 simultaneously to go to the user system mode, because we need to download ADK package after operating system. Now we are again on the systems menu. We will go to the supervisor, pressing password, update, USB memory, ADK package. ADK package will not take a lot of time, it will download very quickly, and then we will move on to download the application. After installing the ADK package, the system prompt for a restart required, and we will press enter. It will again reboot, and now after rebooting, when the main screen will come, we will again press 159 simultaneously to go to the system mode in order to download the application. Now onto this screen, we will again press 159 to go to the systems mode for downloading the application. Now again we are onto the systems mode, and in the supervisor mode we will go to for downloading the application. Now application will install, and after installing it will reboot, and then will go to the main screen of the application. When the download is done, it will show you, do you want to run the app now? We will show OK, and it will then show you starting app. Now this is the main screen of the terminal, as you can see. Now on the main menu, we will go to the settings, system. The password of system is built, the default password 0004 times 0, and we can see that there are two options available. The one is terminal and the second is password change. You can also change the password from password change option, but what we will do right now is to do the settings first. The terminal. Now there are 4 options: terminal type, algorithm, slot number, load key parts. All are used for one time for the setting of key loading. The terminal type, first we will go to the terminal type. Varix terminals will be VX620, VX680, 520, 690 and etc. And engage will be of like 240 and other terminals. We will do with the Varix algorithm, then we will go to the algorithm, triple S, slot number. The slot number will be always 0, then load key parts. In this triple dash enter part 1, the keys will be provided to you, or you will have the keys. The keys must be of 16 bytes or 32 characters or 24 bytes or 48 characters. Here I will enter 32 times 111 for showing you the example. After entering part 1, then I have to again enter 32 times 1 for re-enter part 1. After entering part 1, I have to enter part 2. Then again it will be of multiple of 16 byte or 32 characters or 24 bytes 48 characters. Again I am entering 111. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. After entering part 1, I have to again enter part 2. And when I have re-entered key, then it will show you the main screen. Now what we will do is we will go back on the main menu, and now we will use this serial cable provided by the Verifone. The one end of the serial port will be attached to the USB port, and the other end will be provided to this terminal in COM1. Alright, we will upload the key through this serial cable. And now this terminal is on key pin mode, and now we will go to load keys in order to load keys in the VX520. As you can see, it is waiting. It is showing waiting. It was showing waiting because I have put the terminal to the wrong port, and we have to put this into serial port into RS232 port. Here you can see that I am putting that on RS232, and then moving on to the terminal for the key load. Here you can see that it is waiting, and from here I will download the key load. As you can see, key loaded successfully, and in this way we just load another terminal, and in this way we can use this cable, serial cable provided by Verifone, and we can use the another terminal for key loading. And this is all for the master POS For any queries, please contact us. Thank you.